Alright, welcome. So you've purchased a adjustable ceiling mount. So it will come in two parts, your base plate, mounting and the tube. Now your cut length for the ceiling tube, to figure that out, it is the AFFL minus 2192. So your AFFL is your above fixed floor level. So that's from the structural base that you're mounting it to, not from the false floor, from the structural base. So you measure it from the ground up to the structural mounting point. So for this one, it is 2700. So it will be 2700 minus 2192, which equals 508 millimetres. So you will then measure from the end with the hole in it, measure your 508. And a good trick for marking out is just put a dot at your 508 or whatever your length equals. And then if you wrap a piece of paper around it, and join it back up, you'll get a nice square edge to trace. So now you have marked the line, you need to cut it. Now you need to clamp it in a vise. It's a good idea to put cardboard either side of the tube so you don't scratch the paint. After you've cut it, you'll be left with a sharp edge. So you'll need to either use a grinder with a flapper disc on it, then using a half round file, you'll need to remove the burr on the inside of the tube. And now that is nice and deburred. Alright, so now the end that you just cut off will seat down into there. And then insert the screw into the threaded hole and just nip it up a quarter of a turn so it is nice and firm. So now with a 7mm drill, we need to drill this hole here and this hole here. So they are 90 degrees from this screw. The ceiling mount clamped securely, and a 7mm drill in the drill. Use your fastest setting and drill through. And then rotate it around. And drill the other one. So there is now a hole the whole way through. So you'll need to undo the screw, take it completely out, pull the tube out, and you need to deburr those two holes you just drilled with a half round file. Now, line up those two holes with the threaded hole and insert the screw. Then stick the lock nut on. And do it up.